Hi folks, welcome for today's video. This is just a quick one to answer a couple of questions that I had in the comments for my other videos. So first one, this is going to be a ghost swipe again, using black gold and a white underlayer without any silicone. So this was requested. It was requested to have it without silicone a bit more often, but the color palette was one of the requests. And then you wanted to see how this one looks from the bottom side, because it was plastic, so pretty much unexciting. So this is the bottom layer of it. Doesn't look like much, right? So this side is a bit more pretty. And the other request was to make it to make a video where the light showers from underneath. So I'm trying to make this work as well, but it might not show. So as I can see here, I cannot really see through it. I'm going to shut off the main light and we will see how it looks. So as you can see, when I put my phone underneath it, you can't really see much. So it's some areas where there is no black underneath and where the paint is a bit thinner, you can see the light through. But overall, not that exciting. So here it looks kind of spooky, but yeah, not really working. So if I hadn't used any of the black perhaps, then it might be so. But other than that, let's come back for this one here. Just going to make a quick paint layer of white. Little stripey tool, and we are a completely silicone free stone today. Let's start with the black. That should do it. And then some of the gold. And then let's see. And I am getting a couple of cells which I did not expect. My mixture is actually designed to make knot cells, but perhaps because there is PVA glue in there. Well, I must say this is still a very fun technique. It's not my technique, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to be a fan of it at some point. We will see. I kind of like that there is no really large cell-up thing happening here, so only these really fine tiny cells. I'm going to show it as the dried version as usual in the end. So yeah, see you then I guess. Yeah, it dried nicely. Still, it is not really my technique, so not really sure what I can really do with it. Perhaps I should switch to a dark background layer to have it more spooky and ghostly. This perhaps is still worth a try for me, but other than that, the only really thing that I can see in there is making a kind of city skyline reflection in water and stuff. So perhaps this is something I can implement in a abstract / realism combination artwork. Not sure, perhaps we will see. But other than that, I thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Leave me a comment if you like. Social media links and my materials used are in the description box as usual. And hit the subscribe button if you have not done so far. Have a look at some other videos, you know the deal. So I thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.